In this video, we will keep exploring some of the value of having Slack and Salesforce so connected and how we can expose an agent's answer in Slack without even launching the Agentforce dialog window. If you recall, some time ago, we worked on an Agentforce case for project managers to easily understand what's included in a statement of work, and what's in scope, and what's out of scope. In that case, the PM would ask the agent to summarize the SOW, and it will keep interacting from there. You can see a little bit of that interaction in here. Well, in today's use case, we will use exactly the same topics and prompts behind this interaction, but in a slightly different way. This is what I was thinking. When a project starts, I don't want the PM to talk to the agent to understand what's in scope and what is out of scope, or to summarize the SOW. I want to automatically create a Slack channel for the project, I want to add the PM, and I want to pin a message with the summary of the statement of work so it's always available for future reference. To do all that, I added a record trigger flow to the project, so when the status goes to in progress, it creates the Slack channel for it. After that, it calls the Agentforce prompt to summarize the statement of work, the same that the PM did in the UI, but in this case, Flow is taking care of that. When the agent answers, it sends a message to the channel, it pins the message, so again, it's easily available for future reference. It ends by adding the PM to the channel. So let's go ahead and move this project to an in-progress status. We'll go ahead and we'll click Save. At this point, the flow got triggered by changing that status, and here in a moment, we are gonna get a message saying that the Slack channel got created. If you heard that sound, that was my Slack notifying me that I got a new message, and that's because I'm the PM of this project, so I got added to that channel. Let's go ahead and move to Slack. Perfect. If we look here, we are in Slack now, and I can see that the channel got created. As you can tell, here in the top, we see that the message got pinned. It's a summary that I purposely made it a little bit smaller in the flow so it doesn't take that much real estate. And you can see that I was added to the channel because in this case, I was the PM. As you can tell, a super simple use case with a lot of value. This is a mix of Agentforce, Flow, lots of standard Flow actions going on in this use case as well. So when you are building the actions for your agents, always remember that they can be easily accessed through Flow or even Apex. This use case was simple enough that we didn't need to use Apex, but if you need to, it's absolutely available. For more use cases like this, visit us at cldpartners.com. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.